In this video, I will guide you on how to effectively reach out to Etsy customer service. Although Etsy is not particularly known for their exceptional customer service, there are some tips that can help you receive a faster response. To begin, visit Etsy.com and scroll to the bottom of the page. You will find the Help Center option here. Click on the Help Center to access the Help page. Next, navigate to the Selling with Etsy section and continue scrolling down until you see the Contact Etsy Support option. Click on it and a new window will open where you can choose the specific category you need assistance with, such as financing, billing, or account verification. Each category provides helpful information. And at the bottom, you will find a button that says I still need help. Clicking on this button will provide you with various options to contact Etsy support, mainly through email. Some categories may offer a rare live chat option, but for the most part, email is the primary method of contact. Although it may not be ideal, it is currently the only available option to seek support from Etsy.